When fire breaks out, you only have a few minutes to act before it escalates into a full-blown disaster. Most extinguishers out there handle only specific classes of fire. What works on paper and fabric won't work on lithium batteries. What works on electrically started fires is useless in a kitchen. An extinguisher that cannot address all of these complex and intertwined risks is simply not up to the game. Introducing Ceasefire MultiMax, a multi-class fire extinguisher engineered for today's interlinked fire risks. It fights it all. Packaging materials, Class A fires. Flammable liquids like petrol, diesel, Class B fires. Combustible gases like LPG, CNG, propane, Class C fires. Fires in electrical panels and server rooms, ESF fires. Fires due to superheated oils in kitchen, Class F fires. And even fires due to lithium batteries in devices and power tools. No second guessing. No switching. One extinguisher. Total confidence. MultiMax is engineered to be safe indoors, delivering clean, controlled firefighting without impairing visibility or endangering lives. It's NTA approved, the gold standard in lithium fire safety. It is also BSI marked and CE approved. From high-voltage sparks to oil flare-ups, from flammable liquids to exploding battery fires. With its high fire ratings, the MultiMax packs exceptional firefighting power and delivers more impact with fewer units. Available in 500 milliliters, 1, 2, 3, 6, and 9 liters. And for large-scale, high-risk environments where power and reach are non-negotiable, MultiMax also offers its high-impact variant, the 9-liter backpack unit, engineered to fight the fiercest of fires. Ceasefire MultiMax. One extinguisher. Total coverage, zero confusion.